Focus question. The dot plot again shows the shoe sizes for some of the players on the Cleveland Indians baseball team. We're going to use this graph and we're going to determine the median, the median. First of all, on Monday we found the mode, which was the number that we saw the most of. The range was the biggest number minus the smallest number. And the median, remember, is going to be the middle. The median is the middle. So we need to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we'll put them in order from least to greatest. And when we look at this, we have a 10. 2 players have a 10.5 shoe size. 3 players have an 11. And 2 players have a 12. So we have 10, 10.5, 10.5, 11, 11, 11, 12, and 12. Now we're going to find the median, the middle. So I'm going to say, okay, there's the outside. Next, trying to find the middle. Oh, would you look at that? We have 11 and 11. What is in between 11? Just 11. So our median is going to be 11. That's it for our focus question. Great job.